All right, so here we are in my makeshift office studio. I have a sample of the new NTH subs clasp here, and someone on the forums asked about whether or not there was any play in this safety catch up here. So if you hold the clasp steady, you can see that there's no bounce in it, and there's nothing. It's not loose. There's no play in it at all. But this assumes that you have the clasp flat on your wrist. Now, if your wrist is oddly shaped, maybe it's real thin or real round, or if you've got the clasp positioned in such a way that this shell part levers up, that will introduce some play in the safety catch. So let me see if I can make that happen. So if you lever this part up, then all of a sudden you got some play here. So it's down, no play. Lever it up. You may have heard that clicking noise. Let me hold it a little bit closer here. There's your play. There's your gap. So again, holding it flat, shut, no play at all, no bounce, very secure, but this top part can end up introducing some play if you just happen to have the clasp situated on your wrist, or if your wrist is such a shape that this part comes up, it will loosen up this catch. So, but otherwise it should be very secure.